feel like making a full video today, so I am. This is my 1995 F-150 I bought for, I think it was $320. I'll show you under the hood. Got the straight six in it. No, it's not the most desirable engine, but it's very reliable. Got AC, has good heat. I can start it up, hope the battery's charged enough, but I bought this, I think about a month ago now. It was originally blue, but everything is complete. The only thing I had to do to it was I had to put a coolant temperature sensor in it, but it is the wrong one. I got out of a different parts truck. I'll show you the rest and I'll start it. Got these big mirrors. These are the just regular XL mirrors. These are probably upgraded package or something. I don't know. This wing window needs replaced. Things broke off. The guy side has a latch on. Radio is missing, but the interior is mint. There's no rips in the seats. There's no rips in the dash or anything like that. I got 2 keys with it. Not really much on the inside of this truck to talk about. The headliner's missing. Yeah, you can see there's no support left in this bed. It's been patched already. It doesn't move up and down. Because this bed mount in the front is completely rotted away. That cab corner's starting to go. I need to get on this before it gets any worse. Back bumper is starting to rust out. That red license plate goes, it's already completely rotted out in some places. So, if I do end up fixing this truck, I'd like to get another bumper for it. This side of the bed isn't too bad. It's been patched before. It looks like a bunch of Bondo on there. Yeah. The frame looks solid on this to me. I don't see any holes in it. But one thing I did notice about this truck, if you can see, there's a brand new gas tank in that. Can't really see very good. But yeah, it's a brand new gas tank. But this side truck looks significantly better than the other side. All the emblems are off. I guess they did a spray job on this thing. They did not do a good job. It's not supposed to do that. There wasn't any mice in it, so that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. And it was last inspected in 2025. Man, it is cold out. I don't know what temperature is outside, but it does not want to run. Also doesn't have much fuel in it. It does have good heat, I know that. Oh, and the parking brake don't work at all either. That's to the floor. That don't do nothing. The cable's cut underneath it. The rockers look good on this. I think they were repaired at some point. all the AC and heat works good too. All the vents work. There's no vacuum lines broke like there is in my other truck. But yeah, I'm gonna shut it off now. And this one has that thing you push to get the key out. Okay, well thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, this thing needs good tires. I just found 4 tires that were junk to throw on here, but... Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.